Okay. I'm going to try to do a version of Sister by Mumford and Sons. So we'll see how that goes. So, not the best singer in the world, but I'll go for it. Alright. There's a chip on your shoulder, girl, and by God it'll make you fall if you let it take a part of your soul. I've seen the love in your brother's eyes, and the love in your mother's cries. Sister, don't test the ones you love. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. 'Cause your roots will rot away, and your fruit it won't grow. Your bark will wet and body hollow. I've seen the love in your brother's eyes, and the love in your mother's cries. Sister, don't trust the ones you love. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. But don't trust the ones you love. It'll only tear us down. If you want to feel alive, then learn to love your ground. But don't trust the ones you love. It'll only tear us down. If you want to feel alive, then learn to love your ground. Love your ground. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. Sister, don't let go. Sister, don't let go of us. Woo! Alright, that was good.